public education is always important, because it is not just us, it is also the generation that follows who can make a difference. And very, very often it's not the animals per se, not the cats per se, who perish in the wild. It's mostly because of loss of habitat. Like, take the Florida panther. Yeah, where are they supposed to go? They have a little enclave in the Everglades, of course, but there are highways all around, and then one side is the coast, the other side is another coast, including big towns. So in order to find mates, to have a diversification, they need to travel. So it's up to the humans to make sure that they are able to do this, and that's just a small example. And it's just in general for all people, it's just to raise awareness that, hello, we are sharing the planet with such beautiful animals as the cats.